Hello, today I'm going to be showing you a very refreshing recipe. It's so refreshing, especially in these sunny days. This is a very nice drink to quench your thirsts. Whew, it's so hot. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make mojito. So I'm going to be making passion, lemon and pineapple mojito. It doesn't have any alcohol, so it's kid friendly, so the entire family can enjoy this drink. So let's get making mojito. Yeah. First off, I'm going to be making lemon mojito. So to my glass, I'm going to add lemon wedges. I'm going to use about 5 leaves of mint. Now I'm going to use my pestle to muddle in the glass. So don't use too much first because your glass might break. So what you're doing, you're trying to extract the lemon juice. So I'll add 1 teaspoon of sugar just to sweeten things up because the lemon is usually so tangy. So 1 teaspoon of sugar. Add ice cubes. Sprite. Mint. For my pineapple mojito, I'm going to be using pineapple, of course. So I've cut my pineapple into small pieces. Now I'm going to add in my glass. Mint. Pestle. Muddle again. Add ice cubes. Add some pineapple juice. For my passion mojito, I'm going to be using 2 pieces of passion fruit. I'm going to scoop out the passion fruit. Or is it curd? I don't know. Mint leaves, star, ice cubes, Sprite, there you have it. This is so refreshing. I mean, look at my mojitos. They are absolutely looking chilling. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you try out this mojito. Ciao.